Do you feel embarrassed when you smile because you're missing teeth? You avoiding your favorite foods because chewing has become uncomfortable? Tooth loss does not have to be permanent, and neither does your discomfort. There are modern solutions that can fully restore your ability to eat, speak, and smile with ease. Dental implants and custom-designed prosthetics are the gold standard in tooth replacement. Unlike traditional denture that can make shift or require adhesives, Implant fuse with your jawbone and create a strong permanent foundation for your new teeth. They look, they feel, and function just like natural teeth, allowing you to live without any restrictions. The longer you wait, the more your jawbone may deteriorate, making treatment more complex. Take action today and schedule a consultation with our specialists and take the first step toward a stronger, healthier, and more natural smile.